Tesla made one remarkable move yesterday. It finally broke through the gap box. What is next? Today, I will tell you the insights from the chart. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset to help you to make more money. If you like this kind of information, click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. This is only for education purpose. We don't recommend you any trade. So now we look at Tesla. We have followed Tesla, for example, for a long time because Tesla have so many valuable lessons for the trading chart, for the technical analysis. So basically yesterday, you have one big candle, 4.9%. What is that mean? So if you have followed my channel, you understand Tesla have been bouncing inside this purple box for a while. Okay, basically it's battling from middle of November until yesterday. So the range is 242 to 230. This gap box is from this candle, 19th of October. Okay, we take the highest price of the candle before and the lowest price of the candle before and the highest price of the big gap. Okay, so now we get the answer 242 to 230. So you can do it yourself also for your favorite stock. Okay, so now it takes for a while for it to go above this. I told you when they drop below this box, they will drop below. When they drop above, when they go above, we will go above. Very easy. But how to know this is going above or going below? Basically, if you have subscribed my indicator or if you follow my channel, you will understand I have mentioned we are doing that right now. Repeating the last triangle pattern here. It's very, very similar. So, okay, back to the point. Back to the point, when we look at this triangle pattern here, and can I do a better picture here? Okay, so here, the last triangle pattern, which is around 223 April here. We also drop below this triangle. It takes a while bouncing inside this triangle. We thought it would go above, and then they do opposite. Boom, they go down. And then they go above right on top to 300, the price 300. And the range is huge. Basically, they bounce from almost double, 155 to 300. Right now, are we going to repeat the pattern to go double? So I want to give you some insights from what I see, what I think today, okay? From the chart, basically, it's some analysis. I want you to learn this technique also. So we draw a line like this. We draw a line like this. Tesla is so funny. So this time, from when they drop through this trend line to the end, dropped by 16.6%. This time, they dropped by 22.16%. So it's very similar. And Tesla love to use this triangle pattern to shake out the individual. And if you have followed my channel, I have also mentioned it is very possible for Tesla to go up like this, but the range is different. It's not double. Okay, why is that? Why I tell you maybe we'll go up rather than all the way come down? Why? Because when we look at YM chippers, you will notice the red is all the way going up. I'm just talking about recently. Since we drop below this gap box, what happening is the chips of the red color actually is going up instead of going down. So it is quite interesting. It did not tell you on the candle. It's quite difficult to notice if you don't have this indicator. If you don't have any indicator to follow the institution fund, I'm sorry, you will have a difficult time during this period because you don't know what is going on. But if you have my indicator called this one, this is one of the indicator inside my indicator bundle called YM Trippers. This is one of my favorite indicator. And it can tell you the fund, the institution fund actually is collecting inside. You can see right here. Is all the way going up. And yesterday, one candle go above, boom, they go above. You can also see YM Big Buy also go above zero. It means the big volume trade, they also go above. okay? And we extend the downward trend line here. Apart from going above the gap box, we also one candle go above two resistance line. This is not easy for Tesla, okay? I have to repeat, this is not easy. So that's why you need a big momentum to go above both trend line, okay? So what is next? I expect will go up more rather than they stop to go back down, because one candle to go above two resistance line is not easy at all. And we can see this indicator is go above zero. And then our YM cheapest is still going up. The purple line going up, the red bar is go above the purple line. So it's a very strong trend. And also if you look at volume is a free indicator. You can see also here, this candle, they have a bigger volume than before. This one, they have a bigger volume than before. This is also mean when we have a big green candle or a big red candle with a big volume trade, this means something. This is not random at all. Okay, I just want you to bear in mind about this concept. Volume is some difficult indicator, but it's quite, in the future, I will give you more tips about how to look at the volume. It's quite interesting finding, actually. Yeah, I will share with you more in the future. One more thing I want to pay attention to is last time when we drop below, when we go above, when we go back up above this green line, this green trend line, you see here, this candle we go above also quite a big candle, 4%, okay? But I want you to look at the YM big buy. You can compare to right now. We just go above zero. We just go above zero. And at that time, when they go above this trend line, it's way more than this, more than the zero. It's much higher, okay? So that's why the momentum to go all the way up is much bigger than right now. So I don't expect Tesla, I repeat, I do not expect Tesla will go double right away like last time. I don't think so. I think it would take a while for Tesla to do the the wave one, wave two, wave again. Okay, so is it possible they come up and then come down and then they go all the way up? It is possible. It is possible. Okay, and another thing I want to want you to look at this is when we have how to tell this is the base or the institution try to kick out the individual before the long bull one. So I want to give you let me see. Do we have? Oh, okay. I want you to look at this chart. So this is the Elliott wave theory. Okay, wave one, wave two pullback, wave three long bull one, wave four pullback, wave five, and then we have correction A, B, C. How to know we are in the bottom of the after ABC? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. Okay, so basically how to tell we are in the pullback or we are the institution try to kick you out here, or we are in the real bottom. One of the indicator is YM cheapest. Look at here. When we have the bottom, we have a big green area. Usually it's 3 months to 6 months this range. For old stock is 3 to 6 months. For new stock, it would take a shorter time. Okay, to build the base. Remember, when I say the bottom, it's not a bottom price. It's a bottom zoom. It's a bottom area. Okay, so it could be from here to here or all this area. Okay, so basically the institution is building their collection around here. You can check it with YM chip entry. But I want to easier to show you is when we have a lot of green, more than 50% green, very little red. We still have a little bit red for Tesla here because they have retirement fund or they have, it's a big company, a big stock. So it's very very weird. It will completely has no red chips inside. Okay, but in this case, when we have more than 50% or even 75% of the green, this means actually it's the bottom soon. Okay, and right when we look at this first triangle, when the institution try to shake you out, what happened is, do we have more than 50% of green? No. And we still have 50% of red. So what does it mean? The institution still inside. This is incredible information. What does it mean is, you can tell the institution. So when you reduce your stock, let's say you trade with Trendline or you trade with YM Club Long, YM Club Short, basically, you don't need to clear your stock totally. You can reduce your holding, okay? Instead of clear the whole stock, okay? So, of course, you can clear here and you buy back here with my strategy, with the blue line. This is quite easy. You sell here, even you sell here, basically. You buy back here, you still make very good money, right? But with one single indicator, this one can tell you what is your position right now, okay? Are we being abandoned by the institution, or are we still inside the big blue one? Okay, so now we can see here, in the last triangle, basically we have very little, we have some green, but not a lot. We still have a lot of red. This means institution try to kick people out instead, so they can collect more stock and then before the long bull one. Is it clear? Okay, and then the next thing is, when the red come down, we have the green happen again, and you look at the trend, downward, downward, sideways, downward again, the red significantly increased a lot. So this one could mean this is the base, this is the bottom. But one thing I want to mention, this is from October until December. So it is quite not yet, is it 3 months? So is it 3 months? It is just barely 3 months. So for the institution, did they collect enough stock? I doubt. So I will expect one more time they try to shake out the individual. What does it mean to shake out the individual? It means this one will not go all the way to the peak. Before the all the way going to the peak, they need to collect enough of the stock first. It's quite complicated today, but I want to give you a bonus today. I want you to learn more. I want to teach you more, to share more about this technique. Okay, so I would expect they will have quite up and down moment here. Okay, before our long bull one. Okay, and I don't expect we will go double right away. Let me repeat. I do not expect we will go double right away according to the situation right now, according to this analyze right now. What I expect is they will have a pullback again, a big pullback again, and then they go up. Okay, so where is the next resistance apart from the big resistance would be this peak around 300 to 310, because it's so many peak here. It's around the same level basically. Okay, so we're looking at 300 to 310, and right now it's still strong. We will still have we still go up for a bit while longer. Okay, so this is my update today. Do we have overbought, oversold yet? No, not yet. Look at this. We don't have a yellow candle here, so I don't expect they will come back down back to this area again very soon. I don't think so actually. I would think it will go up more. Okay, it will go up more. Just like here, even they have the yellow candle happening, which means overbought, until the yellow candle happen, it doesn't mean we need to sell it right away. Don't make this mistake. They can last for a longer time. Until the yellow disappear, we will have a critical candle. Then we decide sell or keep. Okay, so in my previous video, I also show you how to trade with this yellow candle, this indicator called YM overbought, oversold. Okay, so this is my sharing today, and I hope you have a happy weekend, everyone, and I see you in the next video. Oh, by the way, I forget this again. So I want to show you this also, weekly chart. If you look at how to check this is the base, apart from YM trippers, another thing is check YM trip entry. So weekly chart or monthly chart, if they fresh candle like this could mean this is the bottom soon. We don't need to buy right away because it can go down again. Okay, you always need to buy with the trend line, with my trend line. Okay, this just tell you this is the area institution coming in, but it could take a while for them to collect, just like what I say, right? But right now we have daily charts, but weekly charts we don't have the green chips here. We don't have YM trip entry. So is it really mean this is a bottom? I told you, it doesn't look like because it's only October to right now. It's not yet 3 months complete. Okay, so it could mean it is a small bottom, but it's not a real bottom. Okay, but I would expect we will still going up. Is it clear? Okay, so let's check the monthly chart. Ooh, for the monthly chart is a super long-term investor. So this one, you see, if you buy here, when the green disappear, you buy here, you look like a superhero here, like here, choo, all the way up. Okay, so this is my sharing today. If you don't have my indicator bundle, you can subscribe it right now. You can unsubscribe anytime if you are not happy with it. And I will also give you the video how to use the indicator. Or you can join my complete course, how to maximize your profit. And I will give you more different strategy, how to trade the stock, how to increase your asset. And you also include 1 year indicator bundle. So I will put the link below. You can register. And I wish you guys a happy weekend and I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.